Welcome to BotVeda. You go to channel for robotics, automation and AI. In this video, we will learn how to install Arduino IDE on Windows step by step. But before we start, let's check out today's fact about Arduino. Do you know Arduino was originally created in 2005 in Italy by a group of students to make electronics easier for beginners. Today, it's used by millions of engineers and even space agencies like NASA. Cool, right? Now let's move on to installing the Arduino IDE on Windows. First, open your browser and go to www.arduino.cc. Then click on Software tab. Here you will see different versions for Windows, Mac and Linux. Since we are installing on Windows, click on Windows Installer. Windows 10 and newer 64-bit. You can either donate or click on Just Download and get the installer file. After download is complete, go to your download folder and double click on Arduino setup file. I have already downloaded the Arduino IDE installer file and I have moved it on desktop. So I will run it from desktop. Accept the license agreement and click next. Click next to continue. Choose the installation folder and click install. The installation will take a few minutes. Once done, click finish. Now go to your desktop and double click on the Arduino IDE icon to open it. This is how the Arduino IDE interface looks. Now we are ready to write and upload code to our Arduino board. That's it. You have successfully installed the Arduino IDE on Windows. In the next video, we will learn how to connect an Arduino board and upload our first program. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to BotVeda.